How to permanently delete your Walmart account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can permanently delete your Walmart account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to permanently delete our Walmart account, all we have to do is open up our browser, and once we open up our browser, just click on the account icon from the top right after you go to walmart.com, of course. So click on the account icon and then just go to accounts. So once you go to accounts, you can see on the left hand side we have different type of options, but we do not have the option to delete our account. So to delete our Walmart account, we have to contact the customer care, and in order to contact the customer care, scroll and then you'll find the option that says help under the customer service tab, right? Just click on the help button. Now when you go to help as well, from the bottom left again you'll find the option that says contact us, which means that you want to talk to a live representative. So just select the option called contact us, and then you will see this chat menu pop up on the right hand side. So by default actually a bot is going to talk to you, so you want to talk to a real agent, right? So in this case just select something else, and once you select something else it will just give you some other information as well. Maybe just type in that you want to delete your account and so on until a real agent is going to come and talk to you. So when you type in want to delete my account or whatever else, again you can just select it's something else if they give you an automated reply, and again select it's something else until and unless a real agent doesn't talk to you. So it says I can connect you to someone to help, so it means that a real agent is going to come to talk to me. So you just need to ask them to request the closure of your account, and that's basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.